How to add another phone to Find My iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how you can easily add another phone to your Find My iPhone in your iPhone device. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, simply head over to your settings, and inside your settings section simply make sure you'd enable this option. Simply once you are inside settings, simply click on your name. Once you are in your inside your name, click on Find My option here, and make sure you have turned on all of these Find My option over here. And after that, simply head over to your application called Find My application, and inside this click on people and click on start sharing location, and simply click on the type in the Gmail that you want to send it or that you want to add in this device. For example, this like this, and simply click on send, and it will add another phone to your iPhone like that. So hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.